Hey guys, Dave with Hydrographics here. Hey, today I just want to do a quick little video on showing you guys what I'm doing to clean my guns out thoroughly. I've had a couple of the caps that I left off. I've got something going on with them, but anyway, I think when I left the cap off that I got some of the lacquer thinner mixed in with the clear coat and paints and things like that up in here. Okay, when you clean out a gun, you're cleaning from the needle out, and there's really no way to clean up in here. So what I did was I just hooked some fuel line up to this cheap pump, put a fitting on it, acetone, and just an empty bucket of acetone here. Pull the trigger back, just like you do in your paint washer, and make sure that's tight enough there. And you can do it pretty much by yourself. This is a 1.0, so it's going real slow. Don't let a lot of fluid out. And just pump it up 4 or 5 times. Run that stuff through, or you can put it one pump in there, let it sit for a little while, and then come back and hit it to loosen everything up. But you're putting a pretty good amount of pressure in there with this little pump. You can see. Blowing out the air horns real nice, cleaning everything out. Okay. And my 1.4. That should take a lot more fluid. You hear that coming out. Anyway, this is going to clean out all your air chambers in case you've got some clear stuck in there. Hopefully it's not detrimental to the gun itself. I don't know why it would be, but as long as you're running brand new clean stuff through there, I wouldn't worry about it. If you've got a contaminated solution or whatever, I wouldn't even think about it. Oh yeah, one more thing guys, as soon as you're done, as soon as I'm done with these, I go up to the air, connect it up and blow it out, okay? I don't want to leave all that stuff in there. Anyway, this David Tsunami Hydrographics. I'll let you know how this goes. I'm going to clean all the guns out and go start shooting some clear. And hopefully we can get rid of whatever's ailing this clear problem I'm having.